Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Cleaning the drain filter on your Maytag MVW7232HW washing machine is essential for good performance. This filter catches lint, hair, and small objects that fall out of pockets. A dirty filter causes bad smells and poor drainage. Start by unplugging the washer from the wall. Turn off the water valves too. This model is a top-load machine. It does not have a front access panel. You must reach the pump from the bottom. Carefully tilt the washer back or lay it on its side. Place a towel on the floor to protect the finish. Locate the drain pump assembly. You will see a large round cap. Put a shallow tray under the pump. Some water will leak out when you open it. Turn the cap to the left to unscrew it. Pull the filter out of the housing. Take the filter to a sink and rinse it. Use a brush to scrub away any slime. Look inside the pump hole for coins or buttons. Remove anything you find there. Wipe the area with a rag. Put the clean filter back into the pump. Turn it to the right until it stops. Ensure the seal is tight to avoid leaks. Stand the washer back up. Reconnect the power and water. Run a test cycle to make sure everything is dry. Keeping this part clean helps your washer last longer. It prevents expensive repairs and keeps your clothes smelling fresh. Regular maintenance is the best way to care for your appliance. You should do this every few months for the best results in your own laundry room at home.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.